What's up, DIY babes, and happy first vlog of 2019. I currently have an entire head full of foils right now because your girl is having a glow up today. So hair done today, lashes done tomorrow, and I'm here with Grace. Hi. I feel like your hair is longer and blonder and extensions. Maybe. I'm currently going a little bit blonder, a little bit more cool toned, and then I think we're gonna add some extensions into my hair. I haven't had extensions since, actually, you know what? No, I've never even had like semi-permanent extensions, but in high school through grade 11 and 12 for almost an entire 2 years, I wore clip-in extensions every single day. And you guys know I also love my ponytail weave, but we're gonna add something a little permanent today, I think. Okay, update, we are colored and ready for extensions. Oh God, a blonde girl is back. Here we go. We're not going for length, it's just fullness and also more highlights with the extensions, and they're gonna be like tiny little beads up here. Wow, this blonde looks great. I'm so happy to be blonde again. Also, you guys all guessed that I was going blonde again because I have the most severe hair color indecision. It's crippling. This side has extensions. Look how nice and like cool it looks. And then this side is up next, but like look at the difference. They need to be blended in a little more and styled, but like no extensions. No extensions. I'm getting a little dizzy. I think this is gonna be the blondest I've ever been, possibly. Actually, no, that's a lie. Close though. Oh well, hi. Hey guys, what's up, and happy Friday. I'm currently doing a shoot with Danny, who, wait, no, just kidding. Secret project, can't even talk about it. Oh my God, yeah, just kidding. So anyway, I look so bougie currently in this jacket, but I promise it's just like a regular outfit. We are in Beverly Hills shooting right now on one of the streets that has like the palm tree line situation, and it's super cute. Exhibit A, so cute. I feel like this is what I envisioned when I wanted to move to LA, is this street, exactly. Can't afford to live on it, but we can afford to shoot for free on it. Yeah. Oh my gosh, also hair reveal. It was dark last night when I was leaving the salon, so I didn't want to show you guys, but we blonde and we back, baby. Hi guys, update, we are currently at the Beverly Hills Hotel, which is just like, wait, there she is, which is, I just feel like another token of LA basicness slash like wannabe bougie, because can I afford to stay here? Probably not. We're just hitting up all the places that like I would love to be able to afford to buy and stay at, but probably can't, but make great photos. Also, I have the cutest shoes on. Honestly, I don't know if you saw them there, but they're so uncomfortable. I'm literally dying. There's people coming. I'm gonna turn the camera off now. Okay, bye. Yo, these shoes, so cute. Dying, straight up dying. Good morning guys, and happy Sunday. Today is gonna be such an exciting day because today is Lily, or Superwoman I's dog's first birthday. So it's Scarborough's birthday today, and Moose and I are going to go pick out a gift for Scarborough, and then we're gonna head over to Scarborough's house and go to his birthday party. If you guys remember, I threw Moosey a bomb first birthday party, like a better party than I have probably ever thrown for a human. Moose, so many presents. Moose, there's so many presents, you don't know which one to pick? Oh, mine. Moose, oh my God, Tiff got you a present too? Okay, let's just dive right in that one too. And I feel like Lily is gonna go all out with this as well. So I'm super excited for the birthday party. Moose is gonna have all his friends there. I'm sure Cookie will be there, Rosanna's dog, and Scarborough will be there, and I don't know who else is gonna be there, but it's gonna be super exciting. Moose, are you excited? Excited? Stand there if you're excited. Nice. Moose, are you ready for Scarborough's birthday party? You need to wake up. Moose. It's birthday party time. It's birthday party time. Moosey has made it to the dog birthday party. Moose, are all your friends here? Oh, hello. Are all your friends here? Bean is here. Pesto is here. Look at all the doggies. Also, Lily, the woman of the hour. Actually, no, Scarborough, the man of the hour. Scarborough. Oh my goodness. Oh, Pesto, that's you. Hi, Scarborough. Lily went all out with Jurassic Park, American Cutie, the doggo of Wall Street. This is how you have a dog birthday party. This is how you do it. Lily, deadass, has a step and repeat for the dogs. Oh my gosh, Pesto, so handsome. Oh my goodness. Pesto, get in there. Nope, not feeling it. Got it. But look at this. Lily has got her LAUR Target product at Scarborough the dog. Dat promodo. Oh my goodness. Pesto, work it, Pesto, work it. Behind the IG. Who did this? Who are you? Okay, we're gonna attempt a group dog photo. Moose, what are you doing here? Moose, come here. Moose. No, sit.
This is what you're working for, guys.
Moosey, sit. Oh my goodness. Moosey, sit.
Stop on your mom.
Oh! Stop it. Hey, Scarborough.
There's no way. Gabriel, come here. There's no way. Okay, how about this? How about you sit with your dog? Oh yeah, love that, love that. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're gonna touch the cake now also. Happy birthday, dear Scarborough. Happy birthday to you. Yo! What up? Yeah! So Lauren forgot her camera here, and now this is our vlog.
How embarrassing!
So we're gonna DIY some just like basic arts and crafts with
Now we're gonna turn this lint roller into a popsicle. How?
Oh my god!
How are we gonna do it?
You take a bottle cap and you put it on a tennis ball. Now it's a hat.
Now it's a gentleman. Wow! Lauren, come pick up your camera. Lauren's finally here to pick up her camera. I done took a nap and I went through my emails and everything. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Lily DIY. Peace.
Good morning, guys, and happy Tuesday. So I have decided that today is finally gonna be the day where I do a full in-depth skincare overview of how I literally saved my skin. So I did a little bit of an update. I forget how many months ago, but I basically showed you guys some photos of where I was when I went on the next one on birth control, which is the implant that goes in your arm. And that thing ruined my life. Okay, like that's being dramatic, but like it really did mess with my skin so intensely and gave me cystic acne that I had never had in my entire life. Had no idea how to deal with it. And finally, I feel like my skin is finally back to normal. And I found a skincare routine that's working for me. Also, excuse this. This is just like post-boxing hair last night and then slept on, and it's just, yeah, okay, well, we're just gonna ignore that. So anyways, I wanted to show you guys all the products and the processes and treatments that have worked for me. And by no means do I think that skincare is like a one-size-fits-all type of situation, because I really do think that everyone's skin is so different. For example, what worked for Remy and literally made her skin so amazing completely destroyed mine when we both went to the same dermatologist. So anyways, I wanted to show you guys the products I've been using, some photos of the treatments I have been getting, because the treatments were crazy. I went the route of Korean skincare, which was so amazing for my skin, and oh my gosh, I cannot wait to show you some of these crazy photos of my face post-treatment, because you literally won't even recognize your girl. So anyways, I wanted to show you guys my skin makeup free before I get ready for the day, and then later on, after I finish doing some work stuff, I'm gonna go into detail about all the things that I use and the things I did. But I wanted to show you guys what my skin looks like right now, completely makeup free. So I have some scarring down my cheeks from all of the breakouts I had. I had major scarring on my forehead in the summer, and that has luckily faded so much. I think that's just over time. There's not necessarily a scar fading product I've been using, but forehead scarring is so good. I had some of the worst cystic chin breakouts ever, and that's pretty much cleared up. Sometimes I get breakouts on my chin around my period, which is just hormonal, and I'll probably have that for the rest of my life, realistically. I mean, until menopause, but like, do we even want to think about that? Not really. So anyways, most of my scarring is just down my cheekbones right here, and then when I do get breakouts, it's like a few on my chin around my period. But for the most part, I feel like I'm pretty balanced, I'm pretty normal now, and I'm so excited. And yeah, this is what we are dealing with right now. I don't really have any active breakouts at the moment, which is super lucky because I just finished my period, but this is what we're dealing with. This is like my worst discoloration and scarred area right here, and I think this will just fade over time and with toners and products and exfoliation. This is what we're working with right now. I'm gonna get ready and I will check in with you guys in a little bit after I finish up some work, and we can start going through everything that I did to save my skin. Oh, Muse, have you come to join? Oh, are you just here to push all the pillows off? Yep. Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, sorry. I didn't mean to disturb. Actually, Moose, you wanna be in frame? You wanna be? Oh, the Moose. That nose tuck. Hi guys, so it is much later now, and also before we hop into the whole skincare situation, I just want to let you know that there is a 20% off sale happening on shop.laurDIY.com. I also just like happen to be super merched out right now. So I've got the DIY Babe long sleeve on, 20% off right now, and the DIY Babe beanie. I think the beanies are both actually 20% off, and also the DIY Squad sweatpants, I'm pretty sure. So if you got Christmas money or you got birthday money because you a Capricorn, there's a sale happening. Anyways, okay, so let's hop right into the skincare situation. I just like relocated all of my skincare products down into the living room. I'm gonna walk you through exactly what I've been using, and it's been a solid like 4 months, I think, of this routine, maybe even a little bit longer, like 4 to 5 months. So this is like my holy grail stuff. This is what's worked for me. Not necessarily gonna work for everyone, but I want to walk you through exactly what I've been using. Okay, so first off are my makeup wipes. I use the highest quality, the most luxurious makeup wipes known to man. Costco brand. So these are the Kirkland makeup wipes, and they are honestly, and I've said this before, my favorite makeup wipes ever. I feel like they're the most not scented, mess you up type of makeup wipe. So, I mean, I've tried a bunch of different ones. I've liked a lot of different ones, but these are the ones that I always come back to. So, Kirkland makeup wipes, and I kind of feel like that's where some of my breakouts can possibly start if I'm using the wrong makeup wipe. Also, this is completely not sponsored. These are just genuinely the products that I've been using and have worked for me. Step number 1, take makeup off with Kirkland makeup wipes, and then I go in with a nourishing cleanser from True Botanicals, and this product alone has been such a godsend. If I could only pick one thing from all my products, it is this one. When I finally decided to switch from like chemicals and prescription stuff over to more organic stuff, this hands down was the product that completely changed everything. Oh, for you too? For you too? So wash my face with this morning and night, and then I go in with literally the most random product ever. It's called 3 Seconds Concealing Gel, and oh my god, Moose just farted. He's still farting. Oh my god. I wish I wasn't talking so that I could replay that. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and it is a gel. It's by the brand Mo Clinical. This has been also a godsend. It's been an amazing product. It's kind of like a serum type of product, and to be honest, I feel like I'm probably paying for the weird packaging of this like syringe style situation, but it's been great for my skin, so this has been a big part of my skincare routine. And then I go in at night with a cellular repair serum by the same brand, True Botanicals, and this is just a nighttime step. And then I have an eye cream by Lancome, and this is like not acne related, but I thought I'd throw it into the routine anyway. It's the advanced, oh, this is this in French, Génifique, yeah. Yikes. The French is real rough. Haven't used that in a long time. And then for a moisturizer, I use the Drunk Elephant Lala Retro Whipped Cream Recover and Rescue. And this is what it looks like. This stuff has been amazing. It's so moisturizing, especially when I get more into the treatments that I was doing. This stuff was like my skin savior to give me moisture back into my face because your girl did not have any. And then when I do have a breakout, my favorite product to use is the DBH Clear Complex Sulfur Mask for oily skin. And I'm pretty sure this was like dumb expensive. My skincare place recommended it, and I remember checking out and being like, but it does work, and I'm gonna continue using it. And you also get like a ton. You can use it as a mask as well, but I've just been using, it's stanky. I forgot how stanky it is. But you can also use it as a spot treatment, so it's definitely worth the price, and you also get a ton if you're only using it for a spot treatment. I'm pretty sure there's a panting moose behind me who is trying to play right now. Okay, so hopefully we can get through this. Okay, so in terms of like, oh no. Every freaking time, Mias. Every time. Mias. Yes. Okay, so I don't entirely know how much of my skin clearing up is due to the products versus the treatments. It's probably a combination of both realistically, but I'm gonna walk you through some of the treatments that I did because they're super specific to Korean skincare. So the first one was called Agnes Acne Laser Treatment, and basically they would go in with this little tiny needle and destroy your sebaceous gland, which is what makes the oil and the bacteria and makes a whitehead, If you know anything about acne, it comes from the oil and the dirt and stuff. So basically they would freeze your face for half an hour, and then they would go in with this little micro needle and stick it into all your pores and zap it and kill it. And not super enjoyable if I'm being honest, but I mean, did it play a big part in my acne clearing up? Maybe it did. So there was the Agnes Acne Laser Treatment. I think I did that maybe 3 times. I was literally living at my skincare place, living there. I was there probably 2 times a week, which was insane. And so I was doing a combination of the Agnes Acne Laser, regular facials, and then, oh my gosh, there was this one treatment called Stem Cell something where they literally took this like little mini sander to my face, for lack of a better word, and just like sawed off a layer of your face. And it's supposed to help with like wrinkles and scarring and all that stuff. But oh my god, I cannot wait to show you guys photos of this because oh my god, I have never looked so crazy for 24 hours in my entire life. And there's like downtime for this one. Like you're not allowed to wear makeup, no water touches your face, no products, nothing. Just like a hat and sunglasses trying to hide your tomato red post-sanded face. So anyways, those are the treatments. I'll have a link for my specific Korean skincare place. If you live in Los Angeles, if you want to go check them out. I mean, I paid for every single treatment. This isn't a sponsored thing. And I lived there and it was great. Everyone was super nice. It was a really great experience. And they were recommended to me by a friend who had cleared up their cystic acne as well. So yeah, it was based on referral and I also had a great experience and I think it was a big part of my skin clearing up. So I think I covered everything. If you guys have more skincare related questions, leave them in the comments and I'll try and reply to as many as I can tomorrow when the video goes up. And I know this last portion of the video was super chatty, but I kind of just wanted to sit down and chat with you guys and recap my skin situation over the last 6 months or so, because I went from this to this. I don't have makeup on right now, but it's crazy, the change and the makeover's not the right word, the drastic improvement. I don't know what the right word was. Basically, my skin is better now and I'm so happy, and it was a long process, but I'm so happy that I finally have my regular face back. I'm also gonna link the skincare video I did about 4 months ago that kind of showed you the middle step of where I was during this whole thing, so I'll have that link in the down bar below. But other than that, don't forget to check out the 20% off sale on shop.laurDIY.com, and I will see you guys on Sunday for a Sunday Wine Again on Wednesday, but another weekly vlog. Okay, bye guys, love you.
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running the streets.